Hello my beautiful friends, let's spray some water on our paper and we're gonna drag some color into it. I would love a little bit of teal, maybe green color. I'm using cheap brand paints. Actually those are kind of like kiddie ones. So honestly, use what you have and don't be afraid that you don't have the most professional supplies. We can't just use whatever we own and it's all good. You can do a little bit of splatters if it works. And we will do a little bit of doodling. I can't believe it that this is my first this year, first on this channel Christmas video. It's like I'm like nearly like, what, really? Very weird feeling because it's quite early. It's still October when I'm recording it. I don't know when you're gonna watch it, but it is most definitely early-ish to me. Yeah, I'm still in the autumn mood, to be honest. Here is that. I love it, love it, love it. Let's try this. Before we will doodle, we're gonna do a little bit of painting and I think it's gonna be fantastic. We are dipping into this gorgeousness teal color. And how about dipping in this bluey color, and how about grabbing I have actually here on this palette like this tealy darkish, I don't know, let's do it. And I'm thinking about just going for some kind of basic looking Christmas tree shape. Really basic looking. We're talking, there we go, like really something that everyone can truly paint. So that's my kind of the idea. So we have three lovely little Christmas tree shapes. We have bigger, middle size and smaller, and there we go. And let's dry these, unless we wish for a little bit of extra color. Let's say, how about if we jump in with this even more tealy color, maybe in here especially, there we go, and the darker one, why not? Making a little bit of shading. There we go, same for here. And I'm actually tempted to grab a brush and just grab this white color and have a little bit of white play. I love white and the shadowing that white makes. There we go, just a little bit. Now let's try that. I got so excited about my lights. First video of this year for Christmas season. Wow, it's official. I can't believe it. I just posted on my Instagram as well a little info and a little clip with the lights and also with the glitters and my selection of stamps for Christmas. So I can't believe it. Okay, happy holidays, or will I just go for Merry Christmas to begin with? I think I'm gonna jump in for Merry Christmas. Now guys, you have been asking me for these stamps over and over on my old YouTube channel, my other YouTube channel. These are from I'll give you links if I can find it, but honestly hard. Inca Stamped UK. I have been using them since I started my journey, which is what? Could that be, let's say 7 years, 8 years since I record Christmas videos. So it's a long time ago, my beautiful friends. So of course it's not gonna be easy to find them, but try to substitute. Now I think I'm ready, and also I was so excited about setting up my lights that I don't know what happened, like the brown went here and then there was water here and I had to fix it. Look, normally I would probably just delete this video, but I was just so excited about my lights and I was like, no, Marta, just it's fine. There are some pinkish, brownish, I don't even know how this came here, and all my lights were dipped in the paints while I was setting them up, so quite a journey. But let's go into doodling right now. I think I'm gonna start my middle one and it's gonna be super easy. The first three super easy and super cute as well. I hope you will join me. Look, this is it. The less you're gonna focus on trying to make such a perfect looking tree, the better for you, I think. So let's just have these. I will just go back and redo it a little bit. Let's move on to our next tree. There we go. Voila. Now you can do the little stem, you don't have to. It is really up to yourself. I think I'm gonna go for some kind of like a tree looking sort of thing. So I think it's gonna be just cute if we have like, yeah, like a tree looking design. I may look into a different pen as well altogether, because this pen works fabulous on a wet surface as well, but it's collecting a lot of paint on the top, which is okay. You just have to clean it off. And the huge amount of paint, because watercolor gouache, it's like thick, it does bring the whole thing, it kind of, what's the word? It's kind of like it's, I don't know how to say it, cut it, like scraping. Oh, it's scraping sort of thing. So voila, lovely, jovely. I absolutely love, oops, love this one. Super cute, super pretty. Now we're gonna go with this one here. There we go, and I will redo this a little bit. Bear in mind, I'm not using any ruler, I'm just using my hand, and I think the more uneven it is, the more imperfect, the just nicer looking, honestly. It is just a little bit nicer looking. Now, it's just more natural, more handmade, and it's just less stressful design, I think. At least for me. I can't believe it. This is our first official video for Christmas. Okay, let's move on to our last tree. I'm gonna do the same, so I'm gonna do a little stem, and I'm gonna go over here. There we go, and like that. There we go. I think maybe it would be lovely if we could have some kind of tree looking design. So maybe like this, and even more if we like. There we go. And how about I'm gonna repeat this, redo the lines, and imagine if we could actually do some maybe ornaments on them. That could be cute, I'd say. Let's do that. As you can tell, it's quite easy. Quite, honestly, like it, however it feels right to you, and I'm sure it will just come to you. Just start doodling, start painting. And you know what? If you don't know what designs to go for, just copy what I'm doing. It's fine. Everyone will have their very own twist on it. Everyone will do their very own thing. So you can really follow up the instruction, and if you making cards for your relatives, I'd be honored if you can use my tutorial. I'm back to you with gorgeous paints. Those are amazing handmade watercolor paints from Scream. I have been using their HOLO paint, you know me and HOLO, but I was thinking for Christmas right now, for these little trees, I would love a little bit of sparkles, but a gold one. So look, I'm just adding a tiny dots on the edges, the ends of the branches. Did I just lose my voice? I think I was speaking to my Lucas husband too much. He's next to me, actually. Again, I'm telling you, he is not leaving me on my own. No, just kidding. We just love each other's company. And we both work from home because he is a part of my YouTube channel. He does all the, because if you watch my old YouTube channel, Maremi's Small Art, you would know that, but Lucas does all the horrible stuff, as in bookkeeping, taxes, VAT, and everything. So yeah, basically not something I love doing. Well, he doesn't like doing it either, but someone has to. So he's not arty, I guess, which is great, because that means I don't have to do these things. He does them. Unless we can swap, Lucas, and if you would like to start painting, be my guest. Okay, I don't know if you can sense it and see the color and all, but I will move it in a second once we start having, once we finished. I'm gonna do the same thing here now with the lovely them bubbles. Now again, you don't have to like even fill in those bubbles completely, fully, perfectly. No, you can leave some doodles that are unfinished or uneven. I think the beauty lies in really having these super unperfect, honestly. I wanted you to know as well that you can use whatever metallic paint you have. You can use marker if you like. Maybe, oh, I'm gonna add this one little thing. I'm gonna see if I can do little stars. Will that work? Maybe that's what we should do. Yes, I think so. I think we can just jump in for tiny stars on those lines. Awesome. So that way we have something small on those lines. There we go. Lovely, lovely. I'm gonna also give you playlist to my other YouTube channel for all the previous videos from last years and years. There's tons of amazing designs that you can take into your workshop and just to play with it, play with those designs. Fabulous. Some of them are just amazing, easy watercolor cards, Christmas watercolor cards, and they have been watched over and over by some people every year, going back to them, and I would imagine you may love them as well, so why not to having a look. Look at that gorgeousness. I love it. Trying to make tiny touches. I think it's just super. I'm kind of afraid I'm gonna somehow make it worsen, as Hannah would say, worsen. Not worse, worsen. Let's get this one. I love it, and I honestly think this color as well is gorgeous from Scream Watercolors. Wow, look at it. It is so pretty. I really love it. So I hope you liked it as well. Our first time having a go at Christmas watercolors. Have a gorgeous, beautiful day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.